Hello, this is Chuks. In this very video, I'm going to walk you through on how to place your orders on 1688. But before I start, I have a template here to show you guys. First thing to know is for you to find the product you want to order. Then second thing is select what variation of product if available. What I mean here is, if you're buying something like sneakers, sneakers they have sizing and they have colors, so you may have to indicate the size and also indicate the color you wish to buy. The same goes with any fashionable accessories. And third is, you have two options. After you must have found sorry you have two options after you must have found what products to buy. Then the next thing there is for you to contact the supplier through Alewang. Alewang is 1688 messenger. It is just there once you're registered. If you're not registered on 1688, you can't have access to this very platform. So for you to have access to this very platform, you must register, and for you to register, you have to go through the process of registering from the 1688 website. Unfortunately, most times registering on 1688 can be so frustrating, so you have to welcome any inconveniences while trying to register. Sometimes you may register, sometimes you may not register. If the process didn't go through, you need to try again. There's no walkthrough for you to register without any hassles. Then third option B is, if you don't have access to Alewang, if you're not registered, if you couldn't register on 1688, you have a second option, which is to contact 1688 procurement agents. Then in this very way, what these guys do is they place orders on your own behalf, depending on the services rendered by any of these agents, because they all work in different ways, they all work in different processes. So you have to find them, and to finding them, where to find them is, you can find them through Googling, or you can find them through asking friends who do mini importation. You can ask people on WhatsApp groups, you can ask people on Facebook groups concerning mini importation. And also there's another place to find them is Nairaland. Nairaland is a very good place to find them. Me personally, I don't recommend agents for some personal reasons. I have a procurement agency where we do this. We procure on behalf of our clients, and also we have a special offer where your products can be reviewed by one of our teams in China. So she can do the review of the product to check if the product matches your own quality, to know whether she can arrange it or not. So every agent, we all have our own different way of performing, so that's your own choice. Then the fourth is, send the orders to your shipping. After you must have done your order with your supplier, or after you must have done whatever you're doing with your agents, then it's time for you to send your orders to shipping company. If you're using a shipping agent or a procurement agent, they can do this one for you. They can send your orders on your behalf to your shipping company. Sorry, if you're contacting your supplier directly, you have to supply your shipping company to them so that they can send your goods. And number 5 is good night. Oh, sorry about that. So what happens here, I have a very bad network. As you can see here, my network, I'm using Airtel. This is very crazy. So this is I tried to search for sneakers, and these are what I got. And okay, let's try to use this as a template. I've clicked on this, so let's move on to this tab. So this is it. Let's say you want to order this very sneaker, and if you check, this very sneaker has a lot of colors, and also it has a lot of sizes. It has from 36 to 45, and also the colors, you have this And also you have this, oh sorry, network, and you have this white and black. You have this, should be yellow, I don't know. You have this black and gray, I think. You have this white, and you have this also. So what happens here is, let's say you have access to Ali1, or you register to 1688. What you have to do is you have to sign up. You have to sign into your account. You can sign into your account either directly through the website, or you can simply download the app. To download the app, you can download the app. If you're using a mobile phone, you can simply download the app by accessing it with your Chrome browser. Then there is a banner, there's a top banner on that browser. That is where you download it. Well, it is not really noticeable, but you can still download it. I may make a video on how to download 1688 mobile app, but that's not for now. So let's say you want to order this very color. Okay, this is a color. You see the variations here. You have this color. This is black. This is black. This is white, gray, I think. This is another color, and this is another color. You can see the colors here. If you have a better network, you can still access them. And also in this very place, you have batches. You have 2 to 199. You have 200 to 1,999. And you have more than 2,000. So if you want to order two quantity, if you want to order between two quantities to 199 quantities, you have to pay for this. You have to pay this 115 yuan. And 115 yuan, if you're using a standard conversion rate of, let's say, 53 naira per yuan, that means you'll be getting 115 yuan at 6,000 naira. So that means this very sneaker costs 6,000 naira as with standard yuan conversion. So if you're ordering 200 and above, you're going to pay this very guy. Okay, this is, if you're ordering 2,000 and above, or 2,000, you have to pay 95 yuan. Okay, so what's happened there is, if you register with if you register with Ali1, or if you register with 1688, you simply charge them directly. That's the icon for that. You can simply charge them directly. I don't have much network I would have. Okay, if you're using the mobile app, you can simply click on this. If anywhere you see this on the products page, this is Ali1. This is Ali1. It directs you to where you chat with the supplier. So let's say you want to buy 2 of these very products, and you want to buy like 42, size 42, size 43. You want to buy black and white, or thereafter. What you have to do is, if you're using 1688 directly to chat with the supplier, just tell them you want to order this size, this color. You want to order this size, this color. Just chat with them directly. They respond to you. But if you're using an agent, what you have to do is, first thing you have to do is, you have to go to this URL address. This is the URL, and this is the address bar. You have to copy this link. Once you copy the link, this is how you do it. You create a template for it. This is the link, double space. Then you want to order black or white. If this translated very well, you would have seen the colors by their English names, but sadly we can't get them. So what happens there is, you're ordering 42 and 43, so you can say 42 black, 43 yellow, black, or whatever color it is. So this is it. This makes the complete ordering details for this particular product. So this is the link. Once your agent clicks this link, it takes your agent to this very product, and your agent selects us 2 black, and your agent selects for 3 yellow, black, and this is how it works. So when considering this, you have to make sure your details are being selected in a very simple way. So this is how it works. For people that are complaining on how to directly place orders, it is either you register on 1688. If it doesn't work for you, you can simply just leave the stress for your procurement agent. They can do the rest for you while you're relaxed. You can do everything on your own. So and also, if you have a WeChat account, there is another way you can chat your suppliers if you don't have access to 1688. This number here is the number you can contact your suppliers on WeChat. You can copy this number. What you have to do is you have to append this very dialing code plus x6. If this is the number, you have to do plus x6 1890 50 82 856. So this is the number you have to contact your agent. This is the number you use to contact your supplier. So what you do is just open your phone, type this number as if you want to save it. Save the number. You can save the number as whatever. You can save the number as this Jianzhong shoes. You can save this as this number or whatever, sneakers supply or whatever thing you want to save it with. Go to WeChat, go to contact, then new message. That is where your WeChat will synchronize, just like your WhatsApp to synchronize this very contact, and that is where you chat your supplier. And also mind you, normally you don't chat with them in English. You have to translate some messages in Chinese. First of all, you have to start with hello in Chinese, which is ni hao. You have to go to translate.google.com where you can translate your messages, then do your ordering. And I hope you found this very video helpful. Thank you for watching.